Hello students, welcome back. Class 12. Today I am discussing our new topic bar chart example. Okay, bar chart I want to create. So first I want to save this program and run this program. Okay, so you can see the output. So this is our output. You can see name, marks. Name you can see Anuj 60 marks, Piyush 70 marks, Lata 80 marks. But last time I have discussed to create line chart, but today I am discussing about bar chart. So here I am using import pandas SPD, import matplot, libplot, pyplot, splt. Okay, pd.data frame. In this data frame function we use dictionary concept. Name is our first column. You can see name values Anuj, Piyush, Lata, and marks is our second column. You can see 60, 70, 80, and 0, 1, 2. This is our default index, and we can use print df. Okay, but I want to convert this data frame into bar chart. So bar chart we can use plt function. Here I am using plt.bar. Okay, in ox axis we can use df.name. Okay, and in y axis we can use df.marks. Okay, and we must use plt.show function. plt.show function. Okay, simply I save this program and run this program. Okay, simply we can use plt.bar. So you can see, okay, Anuj you have 60 marks, Piyush you can see 70 marks, and Lata you can see 80 marks. So very simple code, but here I want to give OX axis label is missing, OY axis label we can give, and title we can give. Okay, so here I want to add some new things. So here I am using plt.title. Okay, plt.x label, and plt dot y label. Okay, so x label we can use class 12 mark sheet and bar chart. In ox axis we can use name of students. Okay, here I am writing only simple things, and y axis we can use marks of students. Okay, so fourth thing, plt bar method, title method, x label, y label, and I want to save this chart and run this program again. So you can see in this output you can see this is our title, class 12 mark sheet and bar chart. In ox axis you can see name of student. You can see my mouse pointer, and marks of student you can see. Okay, but suppose I want to use legend. What is the color this color represent? What is the bar indicate? So I want to also use legend. Okay, so we can use plt.legend. Okay, legend always in square bracket, you keep in mind, and we must use location. The location of legend we always use base. So here I am using we can use bar, we can use marks. Simply we can write marks. Okay, so save this file and run this program. Okay, so in next thing you can see here legend spelling is wrong, so I want to again I want to correct and save and run this program again. Okay, so you can see, okay, this color, so this is a marks. Okay, this is our legend. Okay, okay students, now I want to change the color. So we can use color is equal to, suppose yellow. Okay, so we can use additional parameter yellow. I want to save this program and run this program again. So you can see yellow color. Okay, it is very nice color. Okay, shining color we can say. Instead of you directly use a single abbreviation form, why? Okay, why also you can use. Okay, I want to run this program. Okay, so colorful chart you can see yellow color. Okay, you can use by I think something change. Okay, suppose I want to change red color, so here I am using only R, or I want to save this program and run this program again. Okay students, so you can see so red bars you can see and legend automatically change. But suppose I want to give different colors. Okay, different colors. So first Anuj different color, Piyush different color, and Lata different color. So it is possible we use separately we can use, because this is a list again. So we can use list in square bracket. Okay, so first Anuj have red color, here I am using, okay, here I am using suppose yellow color, here I am using last time using I am blue color. Okay, so red color for Anuj, Piyush for yellow, and blue for Lata. Okay, so you can also play, but you must use square bracket and you must clearly specify the so different color. Okay, so you can see the output. Okay students, so very nice output. You can see Anuj, Piyush and Lata you can see. Okay, you can also control the width. Okay, you can also control the width. Okay, here I am using suppose 0.35. okay, suppose you can use 0.35. I want to save this program and run this program. Okay, so here okay, here you must use comma. Okay, because this is a new parameter of width, you are going to save and run this program. So you can also control the width. So here width is 0.35. By default width is 1. So below 1 you can use in 0.35 anything. So we can also control the width. Okay, so different color and width. Suppose you want to change the orientation of this chart. You want to change the orientation. Simply you can use, this is vertical bar, I want to change into horizontal bar. So simply we can use bar H. Here we can use bar H and save this and run this program again. So you can see, okay, in bar H color, so there are some new thing you can use. In bar H you must use marks. Okay, in bar H you can use marks. Okay, you can use month, and you can remove this code this time. Okay, I want to save this program. Okay, and run this program again. First we see our bar chart. Okay, so this is our bar chart. Okay, simply we can use our bar chart. Okay, you can see in name of student, because here name of student, so in X label and Y label we must change according to this. Okay, so we can interchange this. We can use marks of, and here we can use name of. Okay, here this thing is also important. I want to save this program and run this program again. Okay, so now this is absolutely right. So we can say this is a marks of student, this is a name of students. Okay, so this thing is important. Okay, so you can see, so simply we can use bar H for our horizontal bars. Okay, so you can see this example. Suppose when we have multiple subjects, suppose marks 1, okay, and here we can use marks 2, and in marks 2 we can use, suppose here I am using 50, we can use 60, and we can use 90. Okay, so we can use, simply we can use our again our horizontal vertical bar. So plt dot bar, again I want to copy, and here we can use marks 1, and here we can use marks 2, but name is common. Okay, first we plot our marks 1 data 60, 70, 80, and in parallel we can use another bar name is common but marks 2. Okay, so here we can change again names of students and marks of students. I want to save this program and run this program again. Okay, so you can see. So you can see, but here you can see here we can say the marks 1 and marks 2 in a same place, same bar you can see. Okay, so this will create problem. Okay, but here legend is also showing only marks 1. So first we control this thing. Okay, we can use marks 1 comma, we can use marks 2. First we change because we have two legend, two colors. So I want to run this program again. So you can see, okay, so blue color show marks 1 and this color show marks 2, but this is overlapping. Okay, so I want to shift this marks 2 in some distance I want to maintain of marks 2. Okay, so this is a problem, so I want to maintain some space. So for this purpose we can use plt.xticks. We can use plt.xticks. Okay, so first we can use xticks. In square bracket we can use 0, 1, 2. Okay, and here we can use x.name. Okay, but before we must maintain the width. We must maintain the width. So here some additional thing required. Okay, so first we maintain the gap. Okay, first we maintain the gap. So here we can use width is equal to 0.35. Here we can use the width of each bar. We can first minimize the width of each bar. Okay, first we minimize this width. Okay, this is width is 1, but I want to compress this width 0.35, and here I am using the additional parameter. Suppose r is equal to, here we can use np.arange method, and here I am using len. Here we can use df.name. Okay, here we can use df.name. Here I am using import numpy as np. Okay, first we want to count the total number of element 3, so we can say 0, 1, 2. Okay, so in this r, here inside you can see 0, 1, 2. Okay, so directly we can use r. Okay, and here we can use r. Okay, then we can use r plus 0.35. Okay, and I want to save this program and run this program again. I will explain one by one everything, so you don't worry. So here, okay, this is our df. This is our df. I want to save this program and run this program again. So you can see. Okay, now clearly you can see Anuj, and this bar show marks 1 and marks 2, and blue color show marks 1, and this another color will show our marks 2, and you can see clearly. Now this time there is no overlapping. Clearly you can see each and every marks 1 and marks 2 bar. So first we need to understand, we need 0 position Anuj, 1 position Piyush, and 2 position Lata. So we need 0, 1, 2 index. So first, to get this 0, 1, 2, we need first to count the total number of element in name. So we can use len df.name. So inside it will give 3. Inside it will give 3. So in arange function 3 means 0, 1, 2. 3 means 0, 1, 2 arange numpy array will create. In R you can see inside R in square bracket 0, 1, 2 you have. The next thing is in 0, 1, 2, R means 0 position, 1 position and 2 position, and df marks 1 will display. Okay, and width of each bar is 0.35, 0.35, 0.35. Okay, now next time r plus 0.35. So in 0 position and this bar, the location of after this bar. So I want to increase this the location position 0.35. So 0.35. So there is no overlapping with the help of this command. Then after this it will display marks 2. Okay. Then next thing here inside 1 means this is marks 1, but 1 plus 0.35. So next marks 2 data will display. In third time here are inside 2. So 2 you can see Lata marks of marks 1 you can see, but 2 plus 0.35. So the position of next bar. So you can see. So this r plus 0.35 change the location. Okay, one after another. If you don't use these things, so it will overlap. Last time you already seen this will overlap, but I don't want to overlap. I want to see in one by one clearly. So here I am using np.arrange. First we collect our all 0, 1, 2 position, and then we maintain 0, 1, 2. Then we can 0, 1, 2. Then the next location, next position. So here I am using 0.35. So it will display in one after another. Here I am using x ticks. Okay, because here 0, 1, 2. So I want to display Anuj. In 1 we want to display Piyush, and 2 we want to display Lata. So x ticks will replace the 0, 1, 2 this parallel name automatically. Okay students, thank you so much. So today I am discussing our bar chart, or we can change the color. We can also change the width of our bar, and this is our important example for examination purpose, because here by default all the bars in overlap, but I want to remove this overlapping with the help of this additional thing. Okay, r plus 0.35, and we maintain the location calculation, and then we can display. So here xtick function, here numpy np we can use. Okay students, hope you understand this example. Thank you so much.